9 Beard Growth Tips. Healthy diet. Eat foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids. Exercise. Boost blood circulation and testosterone with at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. Skincare. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin to foster healthy beard growth. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to support your body's repair processes. Minimize stress. Practice meditation, deep breathing, and engaging in hobbies to reduce stress. Avoid over-trimming. Trim your beard only every few weeks to let it grow and fill out. Beard growth products. Consider beard oils, balms, and consult a professional before using products like minoxidil. Be patient and persistent. Consistency and patience are key to seeing results. Seek professional advice. If struggling, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Growing a beard is a journey. For more beard care tips, like, subscribe. For the full video, click the link below.